Welcome, luxury home sellers. Today, I want to share some valuable insights with you. Picture this, a stunning apartment with million-dollar Central Park views that kind of takes your breath away. Now, imagine you're a buyer browsing through online listings, searching for your dream home. You stumble upon a listing that showcases a remarkable apartment, but the photos display the Central Park view during the stark winter months. How does that make you feel? As a luxury broker, I've witnessed sellers not showcasing their million-dollar Central Park views in their full glory. Winter images of bare trees can cost sellers valuable dollars and prolong the selling process. Let's take a closer look at the differences. In winter, Central Park's beauty can be hidden beneath layers of snow, and the trees stand bare, devoid of their lush foliage. This can impact perceived value of your property. Potential buyers want to envision themselves in their dream home, surrounded by natural beauty. When the winter images depict bare trees and a lack of vibrant colors, it can create a sense of dullness and detachment. Buyers are drawn to the emotional connection they feel with a home. The barren winter views may fail to evoke the same level of excitement and desire compared to when Central Park is in full bloom. By showcasing the true potential of your million-dollar Central Park views during the spring and summer, you can capture the imagination of buyers and create a sense of urgency. Don't miss this opportunity to highlight the unique lifestyle your property offers. Additionally, if you find yourself needing to sell your home with Central Park views during the winter season, there's a solution. Engaging the expertise of a top luxury stager can work wonders. With their skillful touch, they can digitally add lush foliage to the photos, transforming the winter views into captivating displays of natural beauty. However, it's important to note the best option is to wait until the arrival of spring. Mother Nature herself provides the most exquisite backdrop, allowing your Central Park views to truly shine. Thanks for watching. For more valuable advice, go to carolstaub.com, where I share videos to help you navigate the world of luxury home selling with confidence.